forest of Bingle Bog has its own resident noise machine, a frog who croaks every night without a pause. The other creatures suffer silently until one evening a nightingale arrives and sings so beautifully that the whole forest gathers in wonder. The frog, fearing the loss of his king of the swamp status, pretends to be a great music critic. He flatters the innocent nightingale, offers to train her, and begins exploiting her by charging fees and making her perform endlessly for money. Under his harsh instructions, the nightingale loses her natural charm. Her voice cracks and she grows weak. One stormy night, forced to sing yet again, she collapses and dies. The frog returns to his throne of noisy croaking, triumphant.